Okay, we're just gonna continue this video.
Look at my tower.
We'll do some editing. Don't worry about it. It's no big deal.
Look at my tower.
Nice. And then how many volts is it if you put the tower together? Now plus minus together with minus plus won't work, right? So you have to have them plus minus, plus minus, plus minus.
Like this.
To add the power. Now how much voltage do you get total if you put those three together?
I don't know. Can we check? Can we see it out?
Yes, we can.
Where are they? Where are they taking my jiggles?
They are over here, sweet pumpkin.
That's under here. God damn it! They're big.
Okay.
Gosh.
All right. These don't have any way of touching each other on the inside, so you're just gonna have to add them up in a different way. Let me put this like through here, and then we'll finish off with this.
Now I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Let me get a little piece here.
No. Stay. No.
Let me go here.
Goes this way.
Let me go there.
So 3.6.
So I'm putting hot glue on this switch, and I'm just gonna install this piece. Good job, sweetheart.
3.5.
Now it was negative, right? Because this was inverted. But that's okay. See how it's negative? It's just because you're using backwards. So now the hot glue is in here, sweetheart. I'm gonna just put this in here while you're calculating for us.
3.6. Where's the other battery?
Fell. No, seriously, one of them fell.
No, all three of them are here. And then all of them are 1.6. I mean 3.6. So what is 3.6 plus 3.6 plus 3.6?
Exactly.
Figure that out yourself.
Okay, so 6 plus 6.
It's technically 6 times 3.
9. I mean, that's okay. Okay, 6 times 9, right?
6 times 3.
6 times 3. So
6 plus 6.
T12.
6.
So that's 12.
No, plus another one and one more 6.
Ow! 24.
Plus 6 plus 6. No.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh no!
Okay, so you see how it's in there, sweet pumpkin?
Yeah.
There it
It's
is.
stuck in there.
So now that's been installed.
Why is the living room?
Our motor wires are on one side, and the other motors are on the other side.
The brain should go right here.
Okay. Now we can choose where we put the brain.
Right there. Right there.
We've got the power switch on the bottom, so we have on off. And then we're gonna retrofit these for the big batteries. All right.
And I guess we'll see you guys in
See you guys in the next episode. Yeah. All right. STEM for girls, right?
Part 7.
No, she's tired.
Part 7.
We changed the batteries because this tiny little power pack. What happened to this little tiny power pack?
It would not work.
It was so small, right?
It wasn't enough charge to give the
How much
robot.
juice do we put in here? We
lot.
put these 3 batteries, right?
So
how much power?
3.6 each. I
Right?
think.
How much?
3.6.
3.6 each.
What was the total?
So 3.6. 12.
It's okay. You don't have to know, right? We just use your instruments.
12.
Yeah, but
Hold on, wait. Let me
We gotta
calculate
go to
it
the
Okay, so
first.
the little battery.
voltage.
Let me calculate it first.
Okay.
Okay. So right now I'm at 6.12.
See, 1.4.
So
Yeah.
6, 7,
And then if you
9.
could take one of those batteries out for me, I could check.
It's right here. You just have to touch these 2 pieces of metal.
So 9.12. I mean, hold on. 12,
Yeah, okay.
13, 14, 15.
It. Trying to see it.
I'm gonna touch this piece of metal here and here. Actually, this is a little easier.
So 9.18.
9.18.
Ah, what do we got there?
10.5.
5.
Right now, 10.8.
8.
There it is. 10.8-ish. So that's how much voltage is now going into that network. It's going into that other chip. And now it's
Have
going
we
into
put
this
the
chip.
Bluetooth in yet?
No.
Okay.
We haven't
Right
put.
here.
That's right. No,
It's
no.
right here. It's the pool.
Not right. That's right.
And
Key.
then this is the hose.
Absolutely.
You mean Scout and Demo?
No, the hose.
I
Or
know.
the pipes.
Scout and Demo.
the pipes.
Now, let's show them all how much power we just added. You want to turn it on?
Wait. I want to do the honors.
Let's just
Let's go back and let's put it on the floor so you can see it running.
Would you like to move?
Wait, let's put it.
Good, look at it. The dogs don't like it.
All right. Now, why is not... All right. So, that was powerful. Why didn't both of the treads run, sweetheart? Remember our code? We only told it to write the motor speed to A0. What about
And we
A1?
need to A1. That's why.
Awesome.
Where can we use the Bluetooth?
All right, so let me write this, and then we'll go to the Bluetooth after we have the motor running. So look at this code, sweetie. Analog write to A0, motor speed 150. Analog write A1, 150. Now, since we have a real strong motor power now, we can actually change the motor speed, and it should probably change the actual motor speed, right? Because we weren't changing earlier.
And now we can have a race with both of our robots.
That's right.
Since they're super
This is way better because he's a mini robot. Mini robots. Are
Daddy,
super
what if
cool.
we could go down the stairs? That'd be cool.
One day. Yes, one day. I dreamt that too. I want my robot to go up and down the stairs just like you're saying. I'm not done. I'm not finished yet either. All right. So look, digital write. Digital write. On these other channels, we're just writing digital pulses, right? And when we're on in one, we're writing low. In two, we're writing high, and that goes one direction. And if we write the opposite direction, it's gonna switch the other way, sweetie. I'm just gonna copy paste the code, and I'm gonna also make sure to write to in3 and in4. And all it's gonna do is it's gonna make sure it copies the same code for this guy as to this guy.
Asleep on the couch.
That's okay. We reached the limit. This is the point where like we have to just go to sleep, and then we can challenge the rest of ourselves to do this later.